Well, there she stands without her props, without her cowlings, and without her carburetors. Props are off for maintenance, carburetors are off for maintenance, and soon we'll be taking off fabric covered surfaces for recovering. And here are two carburetors. As you might could tell from the pictures, they're certainly ready to be rebuilt, and that will be started soon. One of the next things to happen is we will be taking the instrument panel apart to repair and replace as necessary. Here's the radio compartment, which is obviously taken apart. I have taken the canopy off, removed all the broken and damaged plexiglass, and have the new plexiglass. It needs a little bit of repair work in the aluminum, and then we will put it back together, mount it back in the airplane after we clean and paint everything down there. Here are two of the stacks off the engine, removed as part of the carburetor removal. Carburetor is down in that hole there. Okay, so here are the two props. Already partially disassembled to be checked. These will go to the prop shop shortly to see if they are serviceable. If so, they'll be serviced. If not, we will be replacing them. So there she sits, actually having work done on her now. Let's hope we can make it to Hurlburt Field for the reunion. No bets, but we'll do our best. That nose gear strut is on the list also.